Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will share how to make Kolkata street style chow mein with you all. For that we need red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, carrot, chopped onion, chopped garlic and sliced onion and chow mein. At first we need to boil 1 liter water. Add 1 teaspoon salt, mix it and boil it. Now add chow mein and boil it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now drain the remaining water and spread a glass of cold water. Now add oil. Add sliced onion and fry it for a minute on high flame. Now add carrot and fry it for a minute too. Now add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and fry it for 10 to 15 seconds. Add bell peppers and fry it for a minute. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix it. And add 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon of green chili sauce and mix it. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. And 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Cook it for 1 to 2 minutes, then add boiled chow mein. Mix it all together and cook for 2 more minutes. Kolkata street style chow mein is ready. Now spread some chopped onion and enjoy it with tomato sauce. If you want, you can try this once. It is easy and really very tasty. And if you like this recipe, then please do like, share and comment down below. And for more amazing recipes, please subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.